One of the things that connects us all together, and it's one of the best things about us, is what happens when we get bad news. It's not what you'd think. Because when bad things happen, something good happens too. People help each other. We don't get crushed by adversity. We grow from it. We get stronger. We don't give up. We step up. Rise to the occasion. Maybe we can't help it when bad news arrives, but we can also take heart. Because the worst brings out our best. That's the silver lining.
Our product only works when something bad happens. And unfortunately, that's when we have to be at our best. And it's a very difficult time, but that's the company you want. West Bend is the company you want there when something critically goes wrong, and now you got to bring it all back together, and they're the company that'll bring it back. West Bend will bring it back quicker than any other company that I have.
Insurance in many people's eyes is a necessary evil, but you have to have it. To sell a product, you know there's a quality product there and the people are standing behind it and servicing it to the degree that West Bend does. Like I said, it's easy sale.
It's a promise to be there when they need us. And West Bend's promise to be there for us, and we're comfortable with that when we talk to our clients to say, this is why West Bend's a good choice for you. Because when the problems come up, when you need them, they're going to step up and perform.
West Bend has Midwestern values. They work hard. They want to provide good service. And as an agent, you want a company who's going to stand by their word and be there when you need them.
Something bad happens, that catastrophic situation, that terrible situation to one of our clients, that's our opportunity to really step forward and shine and provide great service. And West Bend has been able to do that because they have built a very solid claims organization. They have built a catastrophic team that responds to those types of claims. And together, we are able to really help our clients in those situations.
I think as an insurance company, we do the right thing. Some things may not, some claims may come in and they're questionable, and you'll always see us do the right thing. The insured in the end is always happy with the outcome.
West Bend Mutual is really about relationships. It's about relationships with our agents, relationships with our customers, and relationships with our associates. The focus is there, and that feeds down from the executive level all the way down to each and every associate. Building those relationships is really what West Bend Mutual does better than any other company that I've seen.
They definitely try and make you feel comfortable and make you feel comfortable asking questions. That's definitely one of the things that I like. You always have the opportunity, an open door policy where you can come in anytime and, talk to any one of the managers or supervisors with any problems or questions that you're having.
West Bend Mutual sets an example about giving back to our community, not just taking. And they set the example for employees to become involved.
We had, in 2006, 2 pretty significant hailstorms come through the Madison area. And West Bend did a fantastic job getting their disaster team over here. They made contact within 24 hours with virtually all of those businesses and people when other companies were just reacting to what was going on. So it's a huge example of how somebody is there when you need them.
It certainly is a great feeling when we know that our client has had a bad situation happen and we're able to come in and provide relief, provide coverage, help them rebuild from that terrible situation and do what we said we were going to do when we sold them the coverage.
I can't think of, at this point, any other company that I have here that will stack up to West Bend.
When somebody's having a crisis, people pool together, associates pool together because they care. And they care, what can we do for you? It's unique. I could get really emotional about it.
People like doing business with people they like.
Legendary service, West Bend Mutual.
The mutual aspect of it allows them to do what they believe is the right interest, the best interest of their policyholders, which in essence own the company. They're not answering to Wall Street. Where's West Bend going? You can talk to any one of the people there, any one of the management team, any one of the executive team, and they're all going to tell you the same thing. They're locked and loaded. They know what their mission is, what their goals are, and how they're going to take the company to the next level.
People are proud to work here, and they want to do a good job. I mean, they don't just want to, they do a good job. They go the extra step. They provide the legendary service. And it's all the way from the executives to underwriting to the entry people to the mailroom. I don't think there's a level where it stops. And I think that's very unique. And it fosters this feeling of, I want to be here in this West Bend Mutual family.